The world accepted a group of 6 friends in 1994 and ever since they have stayed with us.
Heads. Heads it is. Yes. We have to assign heads to something.
हम सब चैंडलर, जोई, रॉस, रेचल, फीबी और मोनिका के फैंस हैं, but actually there's much more to discover in the field of comedy.
You don't look like you were mugged.
No. Yeah.
We'd like to introduce you to some of the smartest comedy series that you might not have watched.
The doctor's coming.
My God, a doctor? I mean, here at the hospital, whatever can we do?
Welcome to Castle of Entertainment, and today we'll talk about TV shows that are actually funnier than Friends. फॉल्टी टावर्स। अपने 4 साल के स्पैन में ये शो सिर्फ 2 सीज़न ही चला था और सिर्फ 12 एपिसोड्स ही बने थे, बट इट इज़ अ प्राइम एग्जाम्पल ऑफ क्वालिटी ओवर क्वांटिटी।
Well, let me tell you, if the good Lord meant us to worry, He would have given us things to worry about.
He has my wife.
एंटायर शो फॉल्टी टावर नाम के एक होटल में होता है। इस होटल के ओनर है बेसिल फॉल्टी, एक कंप्लीट वियर्डो जो हर तरह के प्रॉब्लम्स में फंसते रहते हैं।
You speak German?
Oh, German! I'm sorry, I thought there was something wrong with you. Oh, of course!
Fawlty Tower is one of the worst hotels to stay in, but watching the cast go through troublesome situations is downright hilarious. Unfortunately, बहुत सारे racial slurs और offensive comments की वजह से इस शो को hate भी मिला था।
Zoom. What was that? That was your life, mate. Oh. That was quick. Do I get another? Sorry, mate. That's good luck.
That's it.
Back to the world of dreams.
To be specific, the episode, the Germans had to be temporarily removed for highly offensive language and went under review by the UK TV.
Fawlty Towers Don't Mention the War episode is the very latest to come under attack, to be removed by the BBC because apparently it's so offensive. It's a whole episode based on laughing at racists.
Cheers. ये शो है बॉस्टन के एक बार चीयर्स के बारे में, जहाँ डेली बहुत तरह के लोग आते हैं और अपने लाइफ के बारे में बात करते हैं।
So what did she say?
None of your damn business.
Well, excuse me for living.
Every 25-minute episode gives us a great experience of bar conversations filled with clever writing and characters like Sam, Carla, Norm, Cliff, Diane, Woody and Coach.
This is just the greatest day of my whole life.
Oh, well, that's terrific. Say, how would you feel we had to cancel it?
Cheers टीवी पे 11 साल चला था और 11 का 11 साल आउटस्टैंडिंग कॉमेडी सीरीज के एमी नॉमिनेशंस बने। The show won 28 Emmys and spawned an equally successful spin-off, Frasier. Cheers brought best out of the characters in the funniest way possible, earning its 7 primetime Emmys just for acting.
Frazier, go stall while I send out more drinks. Norm, Carla, get the body in the wine cellar there. Rebecca, ice the cake.
ये शो इतना आइकॉनिक था कि फ्रेंड्स के कास्ट ने भी इसको ट्रिब्यूट दिया था।
All right, we are here to talk about Cheers, the show that raised the bar for every sitcom that followed.
Let's watch this tribute to the neighborhood bar where everybody knew your name.
The Office. The Office started off as a British comedy series which was quite successful, but for this list we'll consider the American version, as it was hailed one of the funniest creations in TV history.
Oh my God.
That's why people are leaving.
सीरीज के सबसे स्ट्रॉन्ग पॉइंट्स थे इनके कैरेक्टर्स जैसे माइकल, ड्वाइट, जिम, पैम एंड ऑल्सो इस एफिशिएंसी इन स्टोरी टेलिंग। बिना कोई बैकग्राउंड म्यूजिक या लाफ ट्रैक का यूज़ करके ये शो काफ़ी पॉपुलर हुआ और 2000s के कॉमेडी जॉनरा को डोमिनेट कर रहा था। किसने सोचा था कि एक ऑफिस स्पेस में बेस्ड कॉमेडी स्केच को लोग इतना पसंद करेंगे। नो अदर शो हैज़ एबल टू डोमिनेट द मॉडर्न टेलीविजन एज द ऑफिस, सीमेंटिंग इट्स लेगेसी इन कॉमेडी एंड पॉपुलराइजिंग टन्स ऑफ कैच फ्रेजेस।
That's what she said.
वीडियो में आगे बढ़ने से पहले अगर आपने कैसल ऑफ एंटरटेनमेंट को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब करके नोटिफिकेशंस ऑन कर दीजिएगा। हम ऐसे ही मीडिया रिलेटेड कंटेंट्स लाते रहते हैं। साइनफेल्ड। It's actually tough to believe that a show about nothing ended up being everything to the world. According to Jerry Seinfeld, उनका ये शो एक्चुअली बना था ये शोकेस करने के लिए कि एक स्टैंड अप कॉमेडियन को आखिर अपने मटेरियल्स मिलते कहाँ से है।
My name is George. I'm unemployed and I live with my parents.
लेकिन जैसे जैसे शो प्रोग्रेस हुआ ऑडियंस जेरी से ज़्यादा उनके सपोर्टिंग कैरेक्टर्स के फैन बने। एक तरफ है वियर्डो कॉस्मो क्रेमर, मैन चाइल्ड जॉर्ज कस्टेंजा एंड ऑलवेज कंफ्यूज्ड इलेन बेनिस. This made up one of the best TV ensemble cast in history.
Oh, you must be Kramer. I've heard about you.
Seinfeld might have ended way back in 1998, but its ripples can still be felt in the cultural phenomena even after over 2 decades.
I don't want hope. Hope is killing me. My dream is to become hopeless. When you're hopeless, you don't care.
So, do you agree with our list? Comment down below if you found a TV show that was actually funnier than Friends. Subscribe to Castle of Entertainment and there are some other great contents that you'll definitely like.